We met in autumn, leaves fell like rain, in a small town where nothing ever changed. You held my hand, we danced in the street, laughing so hard we forgot to breathe. And I believed in every word you said, and promises we made, and the dreams we shared. But almost forever just wasn't enough. We had the love, but not the luck. I still see you in every song. Almost forever, then you were gone. We talked about futures, places we'd go, summer in Paris and winter in the snow. You kissed me slow under midnight stars, swore that no distance could keep us apart. And I believed in the fire in your eyes, but somehow we never say goodbye. But almost forever just wasn't enough. We had the love, but not the luck. I still see you in every song. Almost forever, then you were gone. Now I'm walking down old familiar streets. In every window, it's you I see. Your ghost is haunting every town. Almost forever, but never now. Yeah, almost forever just wasn't enough. We had the love, but not the luck. I still see